my biggest fan. You all remember my YouTube. Like my baby's crying. I love my baby. I always make my baby cry. If she's 5 years old or 10 years old or 15 years old. Alright guys, so this is my daddy. She's really tamad. And then, dahil tamad yung daddy ko guys, lasinggo din si dad. Pero lasinggo ang baby ko. She loves drinking alak. And ito, tamad. Ito yung mas matamad sa mga tao. Ako, mas matamad sa daddy ko. Ito. Pag ganon. So, make sure to like and comment. Is not daddy or mama. Just comment. Or, is that cool or not? Like is cool. Comment is not.